In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple simulation of a 4F telescope. First, we open the web application and log in. At startup, we see the dashboard with a list of all the projects. Let's create a new project. We name the new project and open it. The project starts empty. Only the 3D view, logic editor, and contextual properties tabs are displayed. By pressing and holding on the tab, you can place the component in different positions. In this case, we want to see both the 3D view and the logic view. To add a component, we go to the Tools menu, Add Simulation Component. In the library, select Internal. In Category, select Lens and add the component Simple Lens. I repeat the process, adding a second lens. Then we add an inspection plane. This component allows us to calculate the electric fields in a given plane of space. For this, we select the category Inspection and the component Inspection Plane. Finally, we add a light source. In this case, it is a Gaussian beam. Select the first lens and modify the Z position from 0 meters to 10 millimeters. We see how the lens automatically moves to the desired position. I modify the focal length from 100 millimeters to 10 millimeters. I repeat the process for lens 2, looking for it at 30 millimeters. Finally, I place the inspection plane at 40 millimeters in the Z direction. I press the button to run a simulation. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key. We see how the 3D representation of the simulation is loaded. By clicking on the components, we have the possibility to move them. I move the lenses 1 and 2 in the direction -x by 2 millimeters. We simulate again and observe the displacement of the beam on the inspection plane. In case we want to place the lenses in their original position, we can click on the nodes of the logic editor and reset the values. In future videos, we will detail other functionalities that the simulator can solve, for example, interference and diffraction phenomena or Monte Carlo simulations.